Es sind Nächte wie diese, wo Schnee fällt, Diesel riecht. Der Highway stiller ist als jedes Heimatdorf. The heater hums, the windshield's cold. The radio plays some song from old. Mile by mile I keep this road through snowfall, thick and diesel smoke. Taillights fading in the sleet. Coffee's gone, but I stay on my feet. Another holiday I won't be home, but I drive on so others won't feel alone. Picture taped upon my dash, smiling faces in a Christmas flash. I whisper softly, I'll be there soon, chasing miles beneath a winter moon. Snowfall and diesel smoke rolling down this endless road. Every mile pulls me far and wide, but your love keeps me alive tonight. Snowfall and diesel smoke, through the cold I drive back home. Even if the night is long and slow, I won't let go, I won't let go. The truck stops glow with neon light, a shelter in the longest night. I see a ring of drivers stand, sharing warmth like brothers can. Wir sind weit voneinander, aber wir fahren alle für irgendwen. Und das hält uns wach, auch wenn's schwer wird. Slows down, the sky turns gray, but dawn is only miles away. With every turn, with every load, I'm closer now. I feel it in my soul. Snowfall and diesel smoke, still this heart won't lose its hope. Every mile carved in ice and stone leads me closer, leads me home. Snowfall and diesel smoke, this road don't ever break my soul. I'm coming back through the wind and snow. I won't let go, I won't let go. I won't let go, I won't let go. Auch wenn die Nacht kalt ist, das Herz fährt mit.